Hey guys, we're going to be doing the bottom cable oblique twist. You're going to want to grab a attachment, single attachment like this. Move the apparatus all the way to the bottom. Okay, go ahead and attach that. Put on a weight you can do properly with good form. You're going to walk out a little bit so you have some resistance. Hands together. And you're going to go diagonal all the way to the ceiling. Just like that. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So we're working here is we're working our obliques. So you really want to squeeze at the top. 1, 2, 3. Try not to move your arms too much. Keep them straight out. This is tight. All you're working on is the obliques. 1, 2, 3. Same thing on this side. Arms straight out. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. These are cable oblique twists.